Hello everyone, welcome to this interactive course in Python. My name is Pulkit and in this short demo we will learn what Python is. Python is the most popular and easiest programming language. It is used by top companies in the world like Netflix and YouTube. You can learn Python and create exciting projects in artificial intelligence, machine learning and even build games. So let's get started. Let's write our very first Python program. We are using print statement. Let's say we want to print hello world. This is a string or text. We will put this in double quotation marks. Run this to get hello world. Congratulations on a very first program. So let's break it down. Print is a function. We will learn about functions later on. It needs parentheses. Inside the parentheses, you must use double quotation marks for text or strings. For numbers, it is not required. Whatever you write inside the quotation marks will be displayed. So for example, in this case, hello world is displayed on the screen. Let's try the lab in the upcoming video. Don't forget to watch it. Thank you. That's it for today. Next lesson coming soon. Happy coding.